Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you how I go about using the Tek Opaque. I tried the soft opaque, I didn't have much luck with it. So I called Stahls and asked them what their next thinner material is. So it's slightly thicker, and it happens to be this. They say that they have a lot of great results, so I thought I would try it out. I had a job that I needed to get done, and I have an HP Latex 315 printer and a cutter that goes with it. When it prints, it also puts these barcodes on here. And what the barcode does, it talks to the printer, or not to the printer, but to the cutter. And allows me to cut right around my design. So what I want to show you is how this is for weeding and how everything works so that you can then go from this to having these ready to go. And all I have to do is just cut these down and get ready to put them on my shirt. So let me show you how this works. So this is what I've got. So the first thing you got to do is you got to weed this. Now this is the last one. I had a whole sheet of these, and so I just want to show you how easy this is to weed. Just get up here into the edge. Got a lot of extra. That's the one thing about the latex printer. You get space at the top and the bottom when you print, so you got to plan that into your job. But if you look here, I didn't have perfect pressure, so sometimes this will stick. See, like a little bit right there? It's not a big deal though. Just get it out of the way, right? So we'll come through here like this, come on down. Look at how easy that is. Look at that. Is that awesome or what? And then like I say, it's snagging just a little bit because of my pressure, nothing to do with the material. And come through here. It's kind of neat just to watch how that lays right down. Now when you get to a spot and for some reason it doesn't work, I can see there it's not working, so watch this. I just come back on this side, push down on that tail. Look at that. Come back in again and pull it up. There we go. Kind of getting ahead of myself here. But and if you even come at it this direction, it's just so good to work with. It really is. Look at that, right around the tail, no issues. So now that that's done, another good thing about this is how stretchy it is. Now the back side is shiny, that's where the adhesive is. But this really stretches. So you got that, and
about to be mentioned or present in the immediate context. The noun is usually defined as
I guess Alexa heard me say something.
the
Alexa, cancel. It kind of spooks you. Anyway, so weeding out the center is nice and easy also. Nothing difficult at all here. There you have it. So now this is what it is. This can all weed so nice and easy, but if the next part doesn't work, all it's going to do is frustrate you. And I had difficulty with the soft opaque, so that's why I reached out and asked for some other material. So this is what was sent, and this is where it earns its money. So this, I was at the end of the roll here. It's not a big deal. But all you do is you take this, and when you put it on, normally I wouldn't have a piece this big, but it's the end of the roll, so who cares, right? This is where it's got to work though. When you put it on here and give it a little squeegee, from the center out, make sure there's not any, or minimize the amount of air bubbles in it. That's all there is to it though. So now, try to get it off the table. There we go. This is where your life is awesome. When you do this, and it peels right off. That's what you want to have happen. That's where I was having trouble with the soft opaque. And you just come back in here, lay this down. Look at that. So there it is. It's nice and simple. Highly recommend this if you've got a printer and a cutter. This is working really nicely, and with all the stretch that it has, I don't see that there's going to be any problem having this on the left chest area. So once again, thanks for watching. I'm not here to answer any questions, but I'll do my best. And if you've got questions, you should reach out to Stahls and ask them, because they have a lot of different materials, and it's very confusing for those of us that are just getting started. But when it comes down to it, you want to have a product that you can get out to your customer. So without further ado, I'm going to try to find the button that's way over there, and hit that and say, thanks for watching. If you got questions, put them below and maybe I can help you out. I've screwed up some stuff, so I've learned a thing or two. Thanks for watching.